Kamusta mga balibulista? Panalo ang FEU Tamaraws kontra sa Delazo Green Spikers 25-18, 20-25, 25-22, 25-17. Best player of the game si Ariel Cacao sa kanyang 24 excellent sets, 1 ace. Wagi naman ang UST Golden Spikers kontra sa UE Red Warriors 28-26, 25-19, 26-24. Best player of the game si J-Boy De Vega sa kanyang 14 points mula sa 12 attacks, 2 blocks, may kasamang 18 excellent sets. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Para naman sa Women's Division, pinataob ng Delazo Lady Spikers ang FEU Lady Tamaraws 25-20, 25-17, 25-22. Best player of the game si Laika De Leon sa kanyang 16 excellent digs, 12 excellent receives. Tinalo din ng UST Golden Spikers ang UE Lady Warriors 18-25, 25-19, 25-17, 25-22. Best player of the game si Angeline Puyo sa kanyang 24 points mula sa 19 attacks, 2 blocks, 3 aces na may kasamang 11 excellent receives. Heto ang team standings ng Men's Division as of February 21, 2024. UST Golden Spikers 2 wins 0 loss, FEU Tamaraws 2 wins 0 loss, Ateneo Blue Eagles 1 win 0 loss, Delazo Green Spikers 1 win 1 loss, Adamson Soaring Falcons 0 win 1 loss, NU Bulldogs 0 win 1 loss, UP Fighting Maroon 0 win 1 loss, UE Red Warriors 0 win 2 losses. Heto naman ang team standing sa Women's Division as of February 21, 2024. Delazo Lady Spikers 2 wins 0 loss, UST Golden Tigresses 2 wins 0 loss, UE Lady Warriors 1 win 1 loss, FEU Lady Tamaraws 1 win 1 loss, Ateneo Blue Eagles 0 win 1 loss, NU Lady Bulldogs 0 win 1 loss, UP Fighting Maroon 0 win 1 loss, Adamson Lady Falcons 0 win 1 loss. Heto naman ang mga laro ngayong February 24, 2024 na gaganapin sa Mall of Asia Arena. Sa Men's Division, maghaharap ang Adamson Soaring Falcons kontra sa UP Fighting Maroons alas 10 ng umaga. Maglalaban naman ang NU Bulldogs at Ateneo Blue Eagles alas 12 ng tanghali. Para naman sa Women's Division, magtutuos ang Adamson Lady Falcons at UP Fighting Maroons alas 2 ng hapon. Kakalabanin naman ang NU Lady Bulldogs ang Ateneo Blue Eagles alas 4 ng hapon. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.